Let's make in and out flying Dutchman burger. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. Wow, this is bossingly bossing. First, let's make our burger sauce. Ketchup, mayo, mustard, and sweet relish. Mix well and set aside. Slice your onion. Just like so. Avocado oil. Cook your sliced onion until golden brown. Once they're nice and golden brown like this, set them aside. Next, let's cook our beef patties. Season your patties at your liking. I'll go with chipotle seasoning and mustard. Add on your cheese, burger sauce, and top with your grilled onion. Flip your burger and add your second half.